Well, hi guys, it's Monday evening. Had some appointments to take care of today. Got here about 2:30. Well, about 3 o'clock. Come up here to cut the neighbor's beans. And went about 100 feet. At that. And all that. I'm still digging. It plugged up good. Straw walkers were so packed they wouldn't move on the fronts of them, and I'm really praying they're not bent. I ain't never plugged one of these up like this ever, and this is, this is a mess. So we're done for today. One way or another, we're done. It's the dew setting, so I'm going to try to start it up and see if it'll clear itself. I have my doubts, but we're going to try it, see what happens. So hang on, guys. We'll be back in a minute. Well, hi, guys. Not a good day. I don't know if you can even see it or not. Probably not. I got about 150 feet down that field and plugged that thing up good. That's the first. I've never plugged that combine up. Just wasn't meant to be today, I guess. Oh. Tomorrow's another day, and I'll come up in the morning and unplug the cylinder and whatever else is plugged, see what happens. So we'll see you next time, guys. As always, please comment, rate, and subscribe. All I got's a little more and I'm done. Never fails. We'll see you next time, guys. Well, hi guys, it's Tuesday morning, and it's raining right now, starting to rain. I'm trying to get the John Deere 95 unstuck. Oh God, this thing is plugged up. That crap up there is, like this. And it's all green, and it's got the cylinder packed up, literally packed up, and you can't get, I got to dig it out. It's got a wad in it right now, and I can't even get it to move with my big wrench. So I got some work to do, but I do have it tarped over. I mean, there's probably 10 bushel of beans in this thing, even up in the straw walkers, packed up in it. So, did find one problem. The nut for this was just wore out, literally, just wore almost in two, thickness-wise in the threads. I'm going to get a new one, put a washer behind it and tighten it up tight like it should be. Now, I may have to replace that gear because half the slip clutch is made on it, and it ain't feeling good. I'll put it that way. Yeah, trying to work through this side through that mess is a real son of a gun, but I don't have a lot of choice because you can't reach from one side to the other. I've had to take the belt off that drives the walkers, and luckily the walkers move easy. That's not an issue, but it's the riddle chain, clean grain chain there, that's stuck right now, and I'm hoping I get the nut and everything replaced on it and get that tightened up like it should be. I can turn that and it'll take it on and start moving it. Once I get that done, then I can really get into this cylinder. I really, 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 really hope I don't have to take the throat off to get it out, but you never know. And I'm, kind of seeing that this machine needs, well, she's wore pretty good, so there's not really a whole lot I can do about it. Kind of made plans to be looking for another one, and I've been looking for one. Just gotta find it. And of course, when I was under here working, I discovered this. If it ain't one thing, it's 10 dozen others, but that is a trailing elevator. And I really like this. You think my belt tensioner is a little bit loose? Well, I'm going to call it a day. It's raining enough. It's time to quit. So I'm going to put everything up, guys, and call it a day. I'll get back at this tomorrow. I was really hoping I'd get the biggest part of that done up there, but I guarantee you, I didn't go 100 feet into that field. And there's a pile of crap up there I dug out last night that you wouldn't believe. I've never plugged this combine up before. This is the first. An absolute first. I've never done this before. But at any rate, guys, like I say, as you can see in that little bitty hole, it's a mess in there. I got work to do. We'll see you next time, guys. I'm getting wet and it's time to call it a day. So we'll see you next time. And as always, please comment, rate, and subscribe. And we'll see you next time. Time to get the tarp, make sure it's tight. Well, hi guys. You can see it's kind of raining. So here's how far I made it yesterday. Right there, and that plugged it up good. And the pile of crap that come out of it was up here. And of course I did have to disc these ends off because it was running up the spray out. But that's all on hold. That's alright. We'll get back to it tomorrow. Rain gets over with and things get back to normal. So we'll see you next time, guys. As always, please comment, rate, and subscribe. You gotta love a rainy day. Just can't get too many of them, you know. Lovely. Just lovely. We'll see you next time, guys.